Here I have Blackberry KeyOne, and let me show you how to activate boot mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, just tap on power key and hold it for a while in order to switch off your device. And just tap on power off. Once your device is off, just tap on volume down and power button all together and hold them until you see the logo. And now we are in Blackberry bootload menu, so here you can navigate with volume down and volume up keys, as you can see. And you can select each mode by tapping on power key. So for example, if you would like to continue to boot up, just tap over here and wait a few seconds. And that's it. As you can see, now you can use your device normally. So thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.